We'll go barbed wire because I actually think there's a good chance that the Bo Derek cards will be better. Oh, look at that. This is not worth $4. Can tell you that for sure. This thing does not want to open. Hello. Which side do we start on here? Looks like they go every different direction. Let's just flip this one over and see what we got. We got some dude. There's Barb. We can call her Barb. We're not supposed to call her Babe. Looks like we got some kind of cool insert here. I gotta make the light fly up on it so you can actually tell, but you see it's kind of, oh, it's like embossed. We get to is this barbed wire braille? You can kind of feel Pam Anderson in real life. We got some soldiers. Oh, yeah, there's a comic book cover. That's pretty sweet. I didn't show you the back either. And then there's some pinup art. I believe I saw this is by Jim Ballant, the great Jim Ballant, creator of Tarot, Witch of the Black Rose, and also responsible for one of my favorite Catwoman costumes.